Hello and welcome to my channel, Sam Biology Class. Friends, today we will discuss about the binomial nomenclature. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Before the adoption of the modern system of binomial nomenclature, scientific names of many species were polynomial. Polynomial names are several words long, difficult to remember, and are also confusing. Because of this reason, the polynomial system of nomenclature was replaced with another system which assigned a unique binomial name to each species. This started the binomial system of nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is a formal system of naming different species of living organisms. It is also called binary nomenclature. The system was introduced by Carl Linnaeus in 18th century through his groundbreaking works, most notably his book Species Plantarum, which was published in 1753. Binomial nomenclature is a formal two-parts scientific naming system according to which each species is given a unique name which must be binomial. The name which consists of two parts or two words are known as binomial names. Take an example, Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa. It is the scientific name of the Asian cultivated rice. Asian cultivated rice. You can observe that this name is binomial. It consists of two parts. In this name, the first part, that is Oryza, is the genus name. And on the other hand, the second part, sativa, represents the specific epithet. Another example is Homo sapiens. It is the scientific name of modern human being. In this name, the first word, that is Homo, is the name of the genus. And the second word, sapiens, represents the specific epithet. Such type of names which consist of two parts or two words are known as binomial names. The application of binomial nomenclature is now governed by various internationally agreed codes. There are 5 different codes of nomenclature that are followed for naming different living organisms. First one is International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. This code is followed for naming animals. Number 2, International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi and plants. It is abbreviated as ICN or ICN AFP. Previously it was known as ICBN. This code is applicable for naming different species of algae, fungi and plants. Both these codes have common general principles, but they differ in the terminologies they use and in their rules. Third one is International Code of Nomenclature for Bacteria, ICNB. This code is applicable for naming different types of bacteria. And fourth one is International Code of Virus Classification and Nomenclature. It is applicable to viruses. And fifth one is International Code of Nomenclature for cultivated plants. Rules of binomial nomenclature. Number one, the first letter of genus name. The first letter of genus name must be capitalized. Must be capitalized, and the rest of the name is in lowercase. Is in lowercase. For example, Rosa indica. For example, Rosa indica. This is the scientific name of rose, and Rosa is the genus name. Here you can observe that the first letter of Rosa, that is R, is in uppercase, and the remaining letters are in lowercase. Number two, the entire binomial names should be written in italics when typed. The entire binomial name, should be in italics. Should be in italics when typed. But when handwritten, the name should be underlined. But when handwritten, the name should be underlined. The name should be underlined. Take an example, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. And when the scientific name is handwritten, the genus and the specific epithet must be underlined separately. Number 4, all scientific names are typically based on Latin words. However, they can be derived from other languages. However, they can be derived from they can be derived from other languages. Next rule of binomial nomenclature is uniqueness. Is uniqueness. It means that each species is given a unique scientific name. Friends, what are the needs for scientific name? Organisms have two types of name, common name and scientific name. Common names can vary significantly between different regions, different countries and different languages. So common names cannot be applied universally. Universal application of a common name will create utter confusion. These names do not provide any information about the generic or family relationship of the species. Frequently, for widely distributed plants, many common names may exist for the same species in the same language, in the same or different localities. Additionally, in some cases, two or more unrelated species are also known by the same common name. By contrast, scientific names are universal. They are same throughout the world. These names are Latin-based and binomial. Such name consisted of a generic name and a specific name. Scientific names serve as an unambiguous identifier of different species in the scientific community. In order to avoid misunderstanding and confusion that arises from the use of common names, scientific names are frequently used in the scientific community. Scientific names are treated as Latin, though they can be originated from other languages as well. Now the question is, why Latin? This is because Latin is a dead language, so its meaning and interpretation is not subjected to change, unlike English and other languages. In addition, Latin is specific and exact in meaning, and grammatical sense of the words is also obvious. Finally, Latin language employs Roman alphabets, which fits well into the text of other languages. Friends, this is all about binomial nomenclature. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.